Question 1. The path to financial independence. You're chasing financial independence like a true minimalist money master. Forget the slow lane. What's the absolute fastest, most hardcore, minimalist-approved way to get there? A. Live exclusively on lentils and scavenge dumpster bagels. Shovel every single penny into investments, even if it means becoming a social hermit living in a cardboard box. Maximum savings rate is king. B. Find a smart balance. Ruthlessly cut spending on junk you don't care about. Laser focus on boosting your income through work or side hustles, and invest wisely and consistently for the long haul. C. Quit your job today to manifest abundance. Believe the universe simply owes you financial independence because you bravely decluttered your sock drawer. Positive vibes only. Pause the video for a second and think for yourself. Which path truly leads to sustainable financial freedom, not just a dramatic story? The correct answer is B. Extreme deprivation often leads to burnout, and pure manifestation without action is just wishful thinking. Balance and consistency win the long game. Question 2. The ultimate minimalist investment. Forget diversification, forget boring bonds. What's the ultimate high-conviction minimalist money investment move? A. YOLO your entire life savings into the latest meme coin. Doge Elon Musk's rocket Inu. Why? Because some dude flexing a rented supercar on TikTok promised you'd be a millionaire by Tuesday. To the moon. B. Methodically, almost boringly, invest in low-cost, globally diversified index funds. Month after month, year after year. Except that real wealth building is usually a slow cooker, not a microwave. C. Stuff all your money under your mattress, or maybe inside your single pair of ethically sourced hemp trousers. Banks are a scam. The stock market is rigged, and inflation is just a myth peddled by Big Broccoli. Cash is king. Pause the video for a second and think for yourself. Where should a truly smart minimalist put their hard-earned cash for the long term? The correct answer is again B. Option A is pure gambling. Option C ignores the real risk of your money losing value over time. Slow and steady index fund investing is the proven path. Enjoyed simplifying those complex money myths? Good. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more minimalist money quizzes that cut through the clutter. Keep it simple, keep it subscribed.